Welcome back to our Estate Planning Essentials series, where we dive deep into making your financial future secure for you and your loved ones. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked. How much does it cost to set up a living trust? A living trust is a crucial tool in estate planning, providing not just peace of mind but a solid framework for managing your assets. But what's the price tag on this security? Let's break it down. Takeaways. How much does it cost to set up a trust? First up, initial costs. Typically, setting up a living trust with an attorney's help will run you between $1,500 and $3,000. But remember, this can vary based on where you live and how complex your estate is. Complex trust structures. For those with more specific needs, like a special needs trust or managing high-value assets, the cost can jump to anywhere from $1,500 to $7,000 or more. DIY options to cut costs. Thinking of going the DIY route? Online legal services like trust and wills start at around $179–$299 for basic document prep. It's more budget-friendly but comes with its own set of challenges. And let's not forget about the additional expenses. Transferring assets into your trust, known as funding, can add $350 to several $1,000s to your bill. But what is the long-term value of establishing a trust? Here's the kicker. Despite these upfront costs, the long-term value of a living trust, like avoiding probate and minimizing estate taxes, can be immense for your heirs. So, is it worth it? For many, the answer is a resounding yes. But it's not a decision to take lightly. It's about securing your legacy and ensuring your family's financial well-being. Stay tuned for future videos as we look into each of these cost components in more detail, explore living trust costs by state, and answer some frequently asked questions. Plus, we'll share some pro tips on how to navigate setting up your trust, including whether DIY is the right path for you and how to find a reputable attorney without breaking the bank. Feel free and visit our comprehensive article that is linked below. Have questions or experiences to share about setting up a living trust? Drop us a comment below. And if you find this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more estate planning insights. Remember, taking steps now to plan for the future can make all the difference for your loved ones. See you in the next video.